Now, your local on the 8s.
A hurricane warning, a coastal flood warning, and a flash flood watch have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Currently, the temperature is 79 degrees with heavy rain and windy conditions. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, windy with rain, heavy at times, high 79, winds east over 100 miles per hour. For tonight, windy with rain, heavy at times, low 77, east winds over 100 miles per hour, diminishing to 50 to 70 miles per hour. On Thursday, windy with thunderstorms, high 85, south winds at 40 to 60 miles per hour, diminishing to 25 to 35 miles per hour. And Thursday night, windy with thunderstorms, low 82, chance of rain 70%, locally heavy rainfall possible. Our 7-day outlook.